Hi, I'm Hendrickson. Knowing that your pressure gauges are functioning correctly and that you can trust the pressure reading is critical to maintaining your operations and, in some cases, ensuring personnel and plant safety. Traditional pressure gauges commonly fail due to standard process conditions such as pulsations and vibrations. Sometimes unavoidable process conditions can occur. For example, a water hammer event could potentially overpressure your gauges, damaging them and making them unusable. When your pressure gauges fail, you lose key insights into your existing process conditions, which make it hard to optimize and manage your existing processes. And in some cases, when pressure gauges fail, it's unclear that they've failed at all, especially when a pointer or a needle fails on scale. Some of the key benefits of our Rosemount pressure gauges include an industry-proven pressure sensor, which provides accurate, reliable, and repeatable pressure measurements and 2 layers of process isolation. Another feature includes local status indication. With local status indication, your maintenance and operations personnel can trust the pressure reading when they're standing directly in front of the device. What are your biggest challenges with pressure gauges today? Please share your experiences on the Emerson Exchange 365 community.